Let's make a sticky toffee apple pudding with a salted apple caramel sauce, which you can booze up as you like. Make your base as you would for a sticky toffee apple pudding, and then add in your chopped apples. Mix gently so that it doesn't deflate, and then bake for 40 to 45 minutes. And to make the sauce, this is a regular sticky toffee pudding sauce with some booze as well as caramelized apples that's been pureed and salted as well. Enjoy. This is the perfect dessert for this autumn as the weather is changing. It's soft, it's squeegee, it's beautiful. It's got the malty notes from the really dark brown sugar, similar to like using Bosco honey for the same effect, or trickle. So just awesome, and you can do it in little ramekins. Enjoy.